Wow! Nahulog! Grabe! Parang ragdoll. Nabuhay kaya siya? Panoorin niyo hanggang sa huli kung malalaman niyo kung nabuhay ba siya o hindi. At sino siya? So ito palang Isle of Man. TT. Ay bastos, hindi po. TT stands for Tourist Trophy. Ang island na to ay sa pagitan ng United Kingdom at Ireland. Isang maliit na island lang. Tapos, kasi nung taong 1907, pinagbawal ang racing sa United Kingdom. Sa England, pinagbawal ang racing. Kaya nagpunta sila dito sa island na to na hindi apektado ng pagbabawal. No? Dito sa island na to, walang speed limit. Kaya lahat ng mga racers dun sa United Kingdom, England, dyan sila nagre-race since 1907 at tinawag nila tong Isle of Man TT at pinaniniwalaang ito ang pinakadelikadong karera ng motorsiklo sa buong mundo hanggang ngayon. Ito ay ginaganap ng 2 linggo sa loob ng isang taon, usually May and June. No? Taon-taon yan. Ito ay 61 kilometers. 61 kilometers lamang na tinatawag nilang some kind of mountain pass. No? Hello, hashtag Department of Tourism o Philippine Sports Commission, tsaka Philippine Racing Association, no? Marami tayong island sa Pilipinas. Tayo ay mayroong 7,643 islands. Sila merong isa lang, pero nagawa nilang ganyan. Nagawa nilang tourist attraction. Nag-iisa sa buong mundo. Tayo, ang dami nating islands, no? Kayang-kaya natin yan. Itong 61 kilometers na ito, tinatawag pa nilang mountain pass. As you can see, mountain pass, no? Mountain trail, 61 kilometers na merong 200 corners. At dahil nga walang speed limit sa island na to, ang speeds ng mga kumakarera dito ay 200 kilometers per hour up to 330 kilometers per hour. Ito ay public road. Tumatakbo sila sa public road. Country road, walang barrier. Kaya kita mo pagka nag-overshoot sila, talagang goodbye, di ba? Talagang lipad na. At ang matindi nito, walang premyo. Trophy lang. Pero ang daming sumasali. Kaya nga tinawag na tourist trophy. Tama na sa kanila yung pabilang sa pinakamabilis na rider sa buong mundo sa isang lugar na napakadelikado. Ang sabi ng mga riders, ang attraction daw ng Isle of Man, TT, ay yung pagkadelikado niya. Danger is its attraction. In 4 years, 264 riders na ang namatay. In 4 years. Tapos, sabi ng isang rider na naaksidente ng matindi, na nabuhay, no? Pero sabi niya, you only see that you are alive when you are almost not, no? Ang sinasabi niya, no? Malalaman mo na buhay ka sa mundo to pag halos hindi ka nabuhay. Pag tinignan nyo naman ang mountain pass nila, no? Parang mas maganda yung atin, no? Parang mas maganda yung mountain trail natin, no? Marami tayo yan. Sobrang tataas ng mga bundok natin. Sobrang tataas. Tsaka overlooking, di ba, yung mga bundok natin sa Sierra Madre. Pag nag-overshoot ka sa Baguio, ang landing mo sa Cubao na. Maganda yung ating mga bundok. Yeah, no, Department of Tourism, pag-isipan niyo yan. Baka kailangan natin ng ganyan dito sa Pilipinas. Dahil nga kaya natin at marami tayong island. Yung na-aksidente kanina, simula, pangalan niya ay Connor Cummins, no? So, nabali yung kanyang likod, kanyang vertebrae. Tapos, naka full recovery naman siya. Ngayon, kumarera na naman siya at muntik na siyang nanalo, no? Hindi lahat ay singswerte niya. Although, parang napakagrabe yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi naman lahat singswerte niya kasi as I said, 264 riders na ang namatay, no? So, no prize, just the glory of being the fastest on two wheels.
Well, 2010 I had a big smash at the veranda on the mountain road of the TT course. I lost the front end at 150 plus mile an hour. I ended up going over a hillside and cartwheeling down a hill. And next thing I knew I was in hospital with a broken back, dislocated knee, and a bust arm. You know, it's pretty horrendous, but.
Throughout a grueling race, Connor Cummins is in a battle for first place against Michael Dunlop. Despite a neck-and-neck race, Connor comes in second.
No one's forcing anyone to do this race at all. No one's forcing me to do it. I want to do it. I'm fully aware of what goes on. It's down to me. Everyone else is the same. There's not one man in that paddock who's signed up because they have to. It's because they want to. It's as simple as that. No, at the end of the day, I'd only stop if I stopped enjoying it. If I wasn't enjoying my racing, then this place is not the place to be riding a motorbike. You know, all I could probably say is, you know, they were doing something that they loved, riding a motorbike and enjoying themselves. You know, it's very easy for me to sit here and say that. I wouldn't like to be in anyone's position who's grieving right now. You know, but hopefully they would take some kind of comfort in the fact that they were enjoying themselves and, you know, doing something they wanted to do.
Hey! Well done.
Peace mga chong! Subscribe!
Hey!
Down there! Down there, bro!